Alright, let's settle this debate once and for all. No code versus custom coding. Some of you already have a strong opinions like no code is just for amateurs or custom coding takes forever and costs me a fortune. But what if I told you both of those options are wrong? And if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I promise I will show you the true colors of each so you can finally make the right choice for your business. First, let's talk about numbers. The no-code industry, do you know it's projected to hit $45.5 billion by the end of 2025? And the custom coding, just $40 billion. So if you are thinking no code is just a trend, let me tell you, you need to think again because 70% of enterprises already use it and some even cut development time by up to 90%. But wait, don't. 80% of Fortune 500 companies still rely on custom built software. What is that then, or why? Well, here's the thing. When anything implemented correctly, it can be automatically boost productivity by over 50%. And let me tell you something. It all comes down to your specific needs. Maybe custom coding is the right fit, or maybe no code is the perfect solution for you. So let's start with no code first. We all know no code is like instant ramen of software development. You can launch in days, not months, and you don't have to spend six figures on developers to develop software, and it is very easy to use. Just drag and drop and boom, it's done. But here is the catch. Some people say you are often stuck with templates and pre-built components in no-code tools like Bubble, or if your app grows fast, some no-code platforms can struggle to keep up, and some even say, what if they change their pricing, features, or shut down? Aren't we in trouble? Well guys, not in this era. And specifically not with Bubble. Unlike those drag and drop website builders, Bubble gives you full control from database structures to logic, workflows, and UI. For example, if you want a completely custom design, you can do it easily. If you need a complex functionality, no problem. And let me tell you something. This is not some cookie cutter system. It's really as customizable as you make it. And here is the reality. Most apps don't need enterprise level infrastructure on day one. But guess what? Bubble apps can handle millions of users. Big brands are running full businesses on it. For example, just last year, I worked with brands like Ronaldinho and PepsiCo for their development projects. And trust me, it is not far when you will see companies like Apple, Nike, and other running these platforms on no-code. And you know the best thing about no-code tools like Bubble? If for some reason, let's say you outgrow Bubble, you can then easily transition into a hybrid model, integrating custom code with only where needed. And now the biggest concern you guys must be think of. What if Bubble changes pricing or shuts down? Well, look, every tool, whether it's a no-code platform, a hosting service, or even AWS can change pricing. But Bubble has been around for over a decade, backed by investors, and has an active developer community. Plus, your data is yours. You can export your database, use APIs, and even integrate custom code. So unless you are Google or Facebook, trust me, you are not going to hit a ceiling anytime soon. And seriously, I am saying this from the bottom of my heart. Bubble is not just another no-code tool, it's the no-code platform that lets you build fast without limiting your goals and dreams. But let's say if you still need total control over every single line of code, then obviously 100% I will tell you to go with custom development. But if you want to launch quickly, portably, and still want the ability to scale, Bubble is your answer. And if you're still not sure which is best for you, you can either DM me on LinkedIn or book a free call with me using the link below in the description or in the comment section. And guys, I'm damn straight honest with you here. At the end of the day, it's not about code versus no code. It's all about choosing what actually works for your business. So better choose something wisely. And do let me know in the comment section which side you're on. I will see you in the next one.